Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the JSE that got a mixed handover from the Asian markets. Locally, investors digesting the latest inflation printer for January, which quickened to 3.2% in that month from 3% in December. Of course, we have seen this upward trend in inflation in the last few months. Looking at the all share, though, upbeat by almost 2/3%. We do see most of that optimism coming from the financial 15, which has eked out a gain of 1.2%. Industrial 25, they're climbing more than 1%, but backing that trend, extending the losses that we did see from yesterday, is the resources 10 complex with a loss just shy of 1%. Let's take a look at the US markets, and markets seem to be making some sort of rebound today ahead of Nvidia's earnings that come out after the closing of the bell tonight. So we're just looking at that buoyancy there. The S&P 500 up more than 0.6%. Tech heavy Nasdaq leading in those gains, up by 0.9%, and a gain on the Dow of more than 0.4%. Let's check in on the markets across the Atlantic, and looking at those markets as they're still digesting political developments there, particularly in Germany. Also catching on the upbeat mood. FTSE 100 up by almost 2/3%. The CAC 40 with a gain of more than 1%, and a climb on the DAX of more than 1.5%. Let's take a look at the currency scene and start off with how the Rand is doing against some of the major currencies. Still, Rand remaining stable at 18.39 against the US dollar, 23.33 against the pound, and against the euro at 19.31.